We are so happy to be here, and we are open to explore when it comes to insurance. You know, our role is to do in business. Our role is to explain the policy directly for you. Our role is to train people to be able to deliver what Ativa sells. Our role is about to grow Ativa to another level, while Ativa grow us and take us to another level as it relates to insurance. So the mutual agreement, I'm so happy that we are about to sign this unique MOU. In fact, yesterday, when I got in, he told me, Taron, I think we need a press. Mr. Green also told me, Taron, I think we need a press. And of course, you can't do all. When two work together, when they agree, I mean, things will be better. Only the Bible able to teach. And it is also good. Using our messages because it also serves as a moral value to life. So, in this giving or mindless situation, I want to say thank you. We are waiting wholeheartedly, CRB, Confident Brokers, Nigerian Brokers, to work with Ativa. Thank you very much.
Thank you, CEO Taron. We appreciate the message. Before we go to the next item, I would like to interject to give the floor to the board chair, you know, the idea behind all this business. Chief.
With nothing much to say.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for this MOU going to be signed between Ativa and Confident Local Insurance. You know, this whole idea came through Taron. I bought the idea. I don't know much about insurance business.